Tuesday, October 3rd, I have the brake depressed. Push start, nothing. This comes on, other things come on, push, nothing. Push again, the brake is completely depressed, still nothing. The keys are right here. I'm going to lock and unlock the door. Key fob apparently works. Depress the brake completely. Nothing. Nothing. This comes on, but no start. This is completely in park. The keys are here. The keys work because they'll lock and unlock the door. Even pressing remote start and holding it like I normally do will not even remote start. I'm going to try one more time. Everything's completely in park. The keys are right here by the starter. Depress the brake completely. Nothing. Electronics come on, so apparently there is battery power, but no starting.